Are you located in Worcestershire and have problems with your septic tank? UKDP are specialists in managing insurance claims and repair works to resolve septic tank, treatment plant and soakaway problems. Many people are unaware that the cost to fix septic tank problems is often covered under their existing buildings insurance policy. Drainage problems can be expensive to fix. We've saved our customers thousands of pounds by managing drainage repair works through their buildings insurance policy. We handle all aspects of a claim, from the first call to your insurer all the way through to getting the repairs completed. For more information, call UKDP on 0800 028 9903 or visit our website at www.ukdpsolutions.co.uk.